Here we will see sequence-driven programming. Any software that we use consists of code that runs with all sorts of terms and symbols. In sequence-driven programming, code directly instructs a device on how to finish a task in logical steps. Sequence can take any number of actions, but no action is skipped. Here, problem is solved by writing code that tells the computer what operation to execute and in what order. These codes are often broken into three simple programming structures called sequence, selections, and iterations, which are also known as loops. These three structures can be combined in any infinite number of ways to form the most basic instructions and algorithms for all types of softwares. First, we'll see sequence. A sequence is a series of actions that is completed in a specific order. That is, here first action 1 is performed, then action 2 is performed, and so on. And this procedure continues until all the actions in the sequence have been carried out. That is, first statement 1 is executed, then statement 2 is executed, and then statement 3 is executed. For example, here we have written code for x equal to 1, y equal to 2, and z equal to x plus y. Here first x equal to 1 statement is executed, then y equal to 2 statement is executed, and then z equal to x plus y statement is executed. That is, all these statements are executed sequentially. Then selection. In selection, instead of following specific order of events, a question is asked in order to figure out which path to take next. One or number of statements are executed depending on the state of program. This is usually expressed with the keywords if-else. Here, first condition is checked. If the condition is true, statement 1 is executed. And if the condition is false, statement 2 is executed. And after executing statement 1 or statement 2, statement 3 is executed. For example, first we'll check if x greater than y. If this condition is true, z equal to x minus y statement is executed. And if this condition is false, z equal to y minus x is executed. Next is iteration. Iteration also asks the questions, but it asks the same question over and over until a certain task is completed. Here a statement of block is executed until the program reaches a certain state or operation. And these conditions have been applied to every element of a collection. This is usually expressed with the keywords while, for, do, until, etc. Here first condition is checked. If condition is true, statement 1 is executed, and again the control goes to check the condition. The statement 1 is executed until the condition is true, and when the condition is false, statement 2 is executed. For example, here we have assigned x equal to 1 and we'll use the condition while x less than 10. And when the condition is true, we will print x and increase the x by 1. And when the condition becomes false, it will print exit from statement.